friends, I am Ansh Arora, 14 years old. I am a student of Kidobotics and today I will teach you how to make a fire alarm. For this, we need battery, connector, power supply board, buzzer, male to male and male to female jumper wires and tube light starter. Let's start. First of all, you have to take this internal circuit out of the tube light starter with the help of a plier. After that, you can start making your circuit. Take the connector and plug in the red positive wire into the positive terminal of the power supply board input socket and other to the negative terminal. Now let's screw it up. Now take a male to male jumper wire and connect it to the negative terminal of the first socket. Take a buzzer and connect it to the positive terminal. Now take a male to female jumper wire and connect it with the positive terminal and to the negative terminal of this socket. Now connect both of them in series. Now connect the battery to the connector. Now let's check whether our circuit is working or not. Hence, our circuit is complete and we have successfully made the fire alarm. Thank you for watching my video.